All right, we are going to run through doing a residence life non-conduct report with multiple students involved. So in this case, I've pulled this case already from pending IRs, and now I'm going to create a new case and add the students to it. So all the information that you see under incident information is from the incident report itself. So we can scroll down a little bit and then we get to the students who are involved. So in this case, I'm going to change this to residence life non-conduct, apply to everyone. Scroll down a little farther to charges. We're going to change this to ORL warning letter, also apply to everyone. In tags, I can add that this is an ORL room inspection. In this case, we'll say winter room inspections, also apply to everyone. Under assignment, I'm going to change this to Office of Residence Life and then none. Since we don't need to do any follow-up with anyone, apply to everyone. And then I will update the status to closed instead of open because all we're going to do is send the letter. So apply to everyone for that as well. And then when you scroll down, you'll see the second student involved or the other students involved, and they should have all the same information. So we've got role as residence life non-conduct. We've got the charges already added, the tags already added, assignment is added, and status is also updated already. So scrolling all the way down, we will add to database. And now we've got the incident report or the file ID numbers listed for both students. So what I'm going to do is instead of sending a letter to each individual student, I'm going to use the option of send batch letters. So once we click on that, we can go to our template and we will choose ORL warning letter and send that to the students. And we can add whatever we want in here, type a message to the students. If it was candles, remove candles. Whatever message you want to send to the students is what you can add. Under signers, you can add your name, and then we'll build it. And so in the first box in the screen, you're going to see a very generic letter that has some insert information in here. You can, if you want to, add a grad assistant from your building, if you so choose. Like if you type in the building name, you'll find your grads. If you type in student's name or the grad's name, you'll find your grad. So you have the option to add people if you so choose. You could potentially add information if you wanted to add the initial incident report that you received. You could send that to the students as well. And then when we go to preview, send, or save, we are not going to see any of the letters sent to the students. Instead, we're going to see these tiny little eyeball icons. When you click on those, you can see the letter with the student's name added to the letter itself. So this is the letter that you'll be sending to the students, and you can do a quick look over and make sure everything looks good. And then once you are happy with that for both students or all students involved, you can go back up to the top. You're going to check that each person's name has a check mark next to them. We will send the text message to the students. If you're sending it at too early in the morning or too late at night, you'll get this message from Maxient saying it's outside of normal working hours, just so you know. If you wanted to and you are working outside of normal working hours, you could schedule to have this sent at a different time. And then from there, we'll make sure that everything is checked, the students are getting a text message, and then we will email the letter.